your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
And tracking a line of rain and also some gusty winds. Skycam's been shaking around all night long with those gusty winds. Had a little burst of rain here at the station and in Providence. That line's now shifting into southeastern Mass, and I will show you the radar in just a moment. The rainfall is going to come to an end here shortly. The winds will eventually back off. Some of the strongest winds happening right now in southeastern Mass, and the temperatures falling off quickly. At one point, temperatures bumped all the way back up in the low 60s by about 7 o'clock, and now the front's moving through, and look at this, some 30s and 40s off to the north and west. So that really mild air we had today will be replaced by that cooler or colder air as we go into the day for tomorrow. When you wake up tomorrow, big changes. Now, back at 5 and 6, we were talking about this blue color all the way back here. It's been inching closer and closer with each hour, and now starting to take over with 38 degrees in Bennington, Vermont, 32 in Binghamton, New York, and it's that colder air moving closer to the area. The winds have now made that turn. Remember back, we were talking at 5 and 6, winds were southerly. Now they're more out of the west. That means the fronts move through. And look at this gust in New Bedford right now, 46 miles an hour, Plymouth 45. We've had some gusts approaching 50 miles an hour across the area. The strongest gusts right now are for areas closer to the canal and then eventually for Cape Cod. If you live in Rhode Island, still gusty, but starting to see those winds back off just a little bit because the main line of rainfall, this little strip of yellow right here, that's some very heavy rain, and that's also where the strongest wind gusts are. I'll stop this for you, and we'll zoom in. Where is that line now? Well, from Plymouth down to New Bedford to Acushnet, Fairhaven, and Dartmouth, this is where your strongest winds are right now. Off to the north and west, just some lighter showers in and around Providence and for areas in mainly Rhode Island, and that's also where the winds are backing off just a bit. Instead of gusts 45, 50, they're like 30, 35. We're going to keep the breeze around overnight. It doesn't go away completely, but a lot less wind by morning. Cold fronts barreling through the area. So cold in the backside of this rain that we're already turning it over to a little flurry and snow activity in some of the higher elevations of the Berkshires. For us, this will end as just rainfall, even though the temperatures will drop quickly by morning. Setting up for a cold start to the day tomorrow. A little breezy in the morning. Lots of sunshine, though. The temperatures, though, we're not hitting 60, low 40s tomorrow, 41, 42, and it feels like 30s with the wind, especially in the morning. Southeastern Mass, mostly sunny for you. Your temperatures topping out, 41 in Foxborough, 42 in Fall River, and 43 in Taunton with real field temperatures in the 30s. So we know tomorrow's fine, lots of sunshine. It's going to be cooler, of course, but we have to turn our attention to Wednesday. We have a chance for a little rain and snow, kind of a sloppy afternoon setting up. In the morning on Wednesday, I think most of this precipitation will have not arrived yet. I don't think it will be here for the morning commute. I think closer to noon, you'll start to see things fill in. There'll be a line of rainfall for areas in southeastern Mass, right along the Rhode Island coast, and a little snow-rain mix inland. As we go throughout the day into the evening commute, that rain-snow line lifting north and west. Sloppy commute home, but not a real heavy snow. Just kind of rain and snow. First time we've done it this year, mainly for areas north and west of 95. Everybody else dealing with some rain. And this precipitation will continue through the evening and eventually push out. Minor accumulations an inch or two north and west of 95 at the coast, likely less than an inch. Sunshine and cool Thursday, then it warms right back up again. And we're not tracking snow, but rain as we go into the weekend when temperatures get back to near 60 degrees. John.
Thank you, Jeff. Dozens of Santas on motorcycles riding through Providence on Sunday morning. Our ABC